It's your guiding angel here, and we're going to help you ruin another landscape, teach you how. We're going to do a library slash park. You know, a lot of the libraries these days have little parks right next to them. You got roadies in like every bed, because roadies are easy. They just take care of themselves. You don't need a pruner, don't need nothing. But when you go to the park, and I don't know why they do this, every time you go to the park, and there's roadies, they always make them into these tree things, because I don't know, everyone likes to see the little stems, and no, they want to make sure people aren't taking naps under there. You can't take a nap in the park. If you're going to take a nap in the park, you got to take it I don't know where, because like the grass is a disaster, the benches, they got little arm bars in them. Where are you going to take a nap when you go to the park? I don't know. But so your roadies, they have to be skirted up, as they call it, to like shoulder height. Boy, oh boy, I tell you what, like, what are we trying to do here? Nothing underneath them, except some lovely weeds. All right, you think you're so clever? There, see? Yeah, you want to ruin your landscape? Take a little hint and scoot up your roadies so we could just do a drive-by when we're security. We don't like to get out of the cars and walk around each little bush. We like to just drive by and see that no one taking a nap. We're good. No one taking a nap in our bushes today. All right. I got a bit of a soapbox. Here's the other thing: is we're gonna have a public park. You're gonna pay for it with your tax dollars. Have services that they always keep locked up. That's real neat. Yeah. You got to sign up to use them. Maybe we're gonna put a little gate there, a little key. They can't, you can jump over the little sidewall there, but for the most part, the public, we're gonna keep them out by putting a little lock on the gate. Okay. All right, the other way we like to ruin our landscape is we like ferns. We like ferns everywhere. Ferns are a very nice thing. They cover the ground, keep weeds out. The best part, though, you want to ruin it is only get one fern. You got plenty of bed for lots of ferns. That's okay. Just one is fine. You could go, ferns like shade, they could just go anywhere. Anywhere they keep the weeds out, they really block weeds out. Not a lot of weeds can survive underneath a fern, okay? But here's the thing, is you want to ruin your landscape, really choose the brown. Keep the brown fronds, the dead ones, instead of cutting them back every year, every other year, whatever. No. Instead of selectively like going through and picking everyone out, that's too much work. Just leave it like a half brown. Gives it a mystery. Is it dead? Is it alive? I don't know. It's a brown and green. We like both colors. You go to the park because you want to you enjoy the grass. You got a lot of grass here. It takes a lot to mow. You're gonna come to the lawn and mow the grass anyhow. But we just can't grow grass in this. God bless, people really try really hard to keep growing their grass, and they can be like these like swampy like little mud pits out here. They really like sparse grass. Either have grass or don't have grass, but like maybe it's a little too shady, which I find that a little hard to believe, because the trees, if you want to ruin your park, you gotta not take care of your trees. Never have an arborist come take out your tree. I think you're missing a little green there. I don't know, a couple leaves short of a forest park. So it's shady. You got a problem with your lawn, but you also got a problem with like the shade. I don't know. And then you know what else is classy? You know what I like here? You go into the park and maybe it's a nice sunny day. Maybe you want to kick your feet back and take a nap, but you're not really feeling it in the grass or something. Maybe you're going to find a nice bench and just kind of like lay down and rest a bit, but we got this little thing here. This makes a really terrible little stick in your back there. They get suspicious here in the park. They don't want you spending the night over here. Why would you spend the night on the bench in the park? I don't know. You got your reasons. That's all right. But everyone else, no. You got to separate yourself on those benches, okay? No sitting too close to your sweetie, okay? That's how we like to do park benches. Keep it real. And then it seems like every park's got to have a lot of statues, a lot of little artwork, It's got to make a sense of like a lot of little people. You walking through the park, you don't want to feel lonely, so you got some like little statue people there. Oh, God bless, they got the little dog. Then you want to they always have these. I don't know where this came from. I honestly don't know where this came from. You always got to go. The statue has to be taking up half the bench. Like you could sit right next to them and be a third wheel. I love that. And then you always want to make sure that your water fountains here, your antique water fountains, you don't need to take them out. They never need to work. You see, that's lovely. It's like a statue, like a little relic from the past. Yeah, that's great. All right. It's your guiding angel here. And we hope you had fun ruining the landscape. Subscribe, because there's lots and lots of other ways out there to ruin your landscape. We hope to capture them all. Hit like if you thought it was pretty good. Got some ideas to ruin your landscape. Maybe at your home. And so hit some comments up if you've seen some pretty good ruined landscapes out there, okay? Okay.